Satyamev Jayate, sisters and brothers of Bharat. If you are already not aware of Laksh Life Research, open your browser right away and type lakshlife.in. An idea can change your life, but what that idea is, have you ever thought about it? Laksh Life is a platform where we provide a system and mechanism where ideas are preserved for the professional growth of the subscribers. You could register here if you are not a member, or you can click on login if you are already a member. Nowadays, a lot of talk has been going about Startup India, Stand Up India. We say, have you ever thought about that when an idea germinates into a founder or co-founder's brain, it is his responsibility to preserve that idea and make a system in order to be successful in the business model, whatever he is trying to do. Now let's take a closer look at how idea gets preserved. When idea gets germinated in the founder's or co-founder's brain, we essentially talk to our friends and relatives, or if a bit more professional, we start pitching it to the investors. But have you ever thought about it? What problem are we trying to solve? Taking an example of the Ola cab successful business model in Bharat, he has been on the trip to somewhere and cab driver dropped him before the destination. And it was so embarrassing situation for him, and he could have reacted to the situation, a very well educated person, but rather than reacting to the situation, he started acting on it. And he just thought about it. So many new people traveling in a cab in unorganized sector start facing this kind of problem day-to-day basis, and nobody cares about those people misery. Is your idea somehow related to this? Are you trying to solve some business problem, social problem, entrepreneur problem? When idea gets formatted in the mind of founders or co-founders, it is nobody else other than his own inertial state or comfort zone which spoils the concept, business concept. It could be a brilliant idea, but unless you preserve it in your own mind, there's nobody else who cares about it. That's many founders say this thing. The only one which can preserve is if you start following a system, a mechanism where if you are trying to build a successful business model, let's start with a concept that you should start thinking that let's build a system where I have to take less from the system and provide more to the system. Because if we start with a different mindset, that may not be very fruitful. If we are into a multinational job and then think, hey, I must look into this business because I have to achieve X by Z, or this is my minimum requirements, you may succeed, but that's not guaranteed way of succeeding. If you are trying to build a system, let's start with a system that could take more from you. You start making a team, start building the team, and then build a system where you take less from system and then start providing more to the system. And once the system flourishes, it's your system. You can regulate it in any way, but that universal rule will still apply. Our business is to maintain the momentum of the dream achievement, basically, If you have come up with a dream idea and you do not see any platform where it could be preserved, and you could work out on the professional growth for your business, start thinking about it right away. Register on www.lakshlife.in. Everybody feels that they are unable to utilize the full capacity of their mind. There are two factors behind it. Comfort zone, where we are bound to the system we have been working on, the way we used to get up early in the morning, same way we used to get up, the way we used to go to office, the way we catch bus or cab, same way we proceed every day. We have to think about it, that with this system how successful we have been so far, and the idea whatever we are trying to do newly, does that idea demands a new successful mechanism, a well proven mechanism, something which could Laksh Life Research provide you. We have to stop gathering more and more information, because information is something which is available on your fingertip now. So work on the preservation of the idea. We have 100 days program where you could register yourself, and it's 3-step process. Simple. Register your dream Laksh today. It typically takes 100 days to make your efficiency twice or thrice what it used to be before registering on Laksh Life. The process is very simple. The moment you register with Laksh Life, day 1 to day 12, Monday to Saturday, 2 weekly projects. Once you complete with us, we get to know your velocity and your displacement towards your Laksh. We are not talking about speed here. Let us not count our progress in number of hours per day. Let's count our progress in terms of displacement we are making towards our Lakshya. So register now and achieve your dream. To know more, you could contact us at the given address below, or if you have any questions, you can submit the contact us form. For existing Laksh Life Research beneficiaries, let us log into the system right away. If you already have, with email or your phone number, password, and if you are not, register as new user. You could also register from here. The mobile number you have to put, and an OTP will be sent to your number, and you could create the profile and take benefit of the entire Laksh Life Research platform. For her first 100 participants, this program has been going free of cost, and that will continue for 100 days. So why delay? Let's register now and take benefit of Laksh Life Research, which I have also been benefited very, very much for a long time. This has been Abhijit from Laksh Life headquarters. Satyamev Jayate. Be positive. Wish you all the best.